Oh, my sparkly prize. You're just begging to be liberated from this mundane existence. Well, well, well. If it isn't our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. Care to dance, Spidey? Wrong, Spider? Isn't it all a matter of perspective? I see this as an opportunity to bring some excitement into our lives. Protect and serve, huh? You always were the Gagliatiro. But tell me, Spider, can you resist the thrill of the chase? Spider, just imagine the exhilaration we could experience together. Two souls, intertwined, dancing in the moonlight. Maybe next time, Spider. I've got what I've came for. But this was fun. I do enjoy our chats. But this cat's gotta get home. But I wouldn't be opposed if a certain spider crept through my window tonight. This pretty little thing. You want it? You'll have to catch me first.